The ruling Meghalaya Democratic Alliance and the opposition Congress leaders met for the second time on Thursday, May 14th, and resolved to stand united, irrespective of party affiliations, in the fight against COVID-19 in the state. In the review meeting, a detailed presentation was made by the Chief Secretary on the updates following the last meeting held on April 25. The presentation highlighted the summary of stranded citizens, detailed the entry protocols and gave an insight on the evacuation model being followed to bring back the stranded Meghalians from various parts of the country. Updates were also presented on the status of health infrastructure as well as the testing capacity. Many suggestions were also offered, discussed and included. Speaking to reporters, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Methba Lindo said that a threadbare discussion was held and the leaders are united in this fight against the pandemic. Echoing similar views, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the most important message is that all the leaders, irrespective of their party affiliations, are working together in this fight against COVID-19.
All the legislatures and all the opposition and the ruling are working together in this fight against COVID. Another very important thing was that we got very good suggestions from all the members who are present out here, and it only helps the government and the officials to improve on this entire operation and work that we're doing against COVID right now. As you are aware, the operations are big, so every suggestion that comes in is good for us.
He said that positive suggestions have come up during the meeting and every suggestion is important to improve and that the state government will look into all the suggestions. We have to accept the returning individuals and not stigmatize them or their families, added Sangma. Meanwhile, opposition Congress leader Dr. Mukul Sangma said that they have given a lot of suggestions and the main highlights include relooking and revisiting the standard operating procedures in certain situations like putting all returnees under home quarantine. The meeting also decided to jointly urge the citizens of the state to provide sensitive support to all COVID-19 positive individuals and those probable cases and not to stigmatize any individuals as the virus can affect any person. Bureau Report.